Hey, welcome back to Cool Kids Art, and let's draw the very cool looking Dessa from Roblox Piggy. So here's my full pencil sketch shown in 2-speed, and then right after this I'll show you guys how to draw this line by line with a Sharpie. Alright, so let's draw this really cool looking character, and here's my sketch underneath. And to begin, we're just gonna draw in one big circle for the head. Pretty much the same as all the other Piggy characters. Just one big circle. And then from here, right in the middle of the circle, just draw a little egg shape on its side. This is gonna be the nose. So let me shade that in real quick. And then to finish up the snout area, right above the nose right here, just make a little point. Draw one big circle coming down, almost all the way to the bottom. Okay, and then now for the eyes, in this space right here, draw one circle and then same thing on the other side. For this one here, I'm going to draw another circle inside here in the corner. And just let me shade this in real quick so we can see the eye a little bit better. So same thing here. Okay, and then for the little cheeks, just come to the corner here. For the side, just draw a egg shape. And then now for the ears, just come to the center of the eye or the middle of the eye right here. Just come up, make a little point. From this side right here on the top of the eye, make another point out here. So now we have these 2 points, and this is where the ear is gonna start. So I'm just gonna curve up, come back down with another curve to that point. Okay, so let's try again on this side. Come up, come out. Okay, and then on the inside here, we'll add in another curve. Just follow the same curve as it is on the outside. So this one's nice and easy. Alright, and then now for the antlers. So this part's a little bit tricky. We're gonna have to erase out some of these lines right here. So we'll start right here. Just gonna go up. Give it an angle here. Go up again. We're gonna come back down, so we'll round it out. Just follow the same line there. Stop a little bit short. It's going to be a little bit more angle right here. Come back down. I know it gets really messy, but once you erase out those lines, it'll be a lot more clear. And then we'll just close that off. So that's the main one, and then now for the smaller ones, let's come up here. One and then one more. So you can have a little fun with it, you know, just drawing a line and then just give it some thickness. So this one's behind the big one. All right, so let's draw on the other one. Go up. And go. And then just come back down, just follow the same line. Stop a little bit short. And this one's gonna hook up. So come back here and then just close it off. Okay, so same thing here. So it's pretty symmetrical, so just use the other one for reference. And then one more in the back. All right, so those are the antlers, and now let's come down and finish the body. So the body is pretty much the same as the other Piggy characters. I'm gonna start right here. You make two little points. Flare out all the way down to the bottom of the dress. And then right in the middle right here, draw one curve. And then whatever space you have here, just kind of draw a wavy curve, connect everything. All right, and then we can add in some lines. Just make it look like folds. And since we're down here, let's go ahead and finish up the boot. So right in the center right here, just draw two lines coming straight down. Come to the outside here, curve, well, I mean straight down first, and then a curve going out. And then just close off the bottom. Straight down, one little bump. And if you want to make it a little bit more three-dimensional, we'll continue with this curve. Just kind of go in. Okay, so that's the legs, and now let's join the arms. So here's the armpit. Shoulder, I'll start up here. And then for the lower arm, just one big bracket. Or one long bracket. Okay, so let's draw in this hand first, because this one's holding the weapon. So right here, just one little bump for the thumb. And then this one right here, I'm just gonna curve down, just round it out and just go back up. And I'm gonna add one little bump here for the other finger. Okay, and then now for the pipe. Before drawing the hand right here, right in the center right here, I'm just gonna draw a curve this way. And then for the pipe, okay, so mine's a little bit wobbly, just drawing two straight lines like this. And then right here, draw the same curve as this. And then on this side, just round it out. So we'll make it look a little bit more three-dimensional. And then lastly, to close off the hand right here, just one little curve here for the thumb, and then the back, just tuck it right behind the pipe. And that is it for this Dessa. Hope you guys like the way it turned out, and if you do, please do give me a thumbs up, subscribe if you haven't, and I will see you next time.